Serikal mar kaonti ma Baringo kotenore gi riwruok moro ma ok mar piny owacho obiro kanyakla ma chiwo puonj ne mine kaluwore kod medruok mar thoe mag nyithindo kod mine e kinde ma gikonyore. Gichiwo puonj ne jochiw thieth ma konyo mine e kindego. Jata tije weche mag thieth ahinya mago mag mine e kaonti ma Baringo Elizabeth Kigen owacho ni jochiw thieth maromo 95 mawuok e kuonde thieth maromo 55 oseyudo puonj ma kamano. Kane gitwak gi jofwambo, owacho ni tok puonj noero gibiro chiwo thieth, jochiw thieth go eko biro kawo okang' mar puonjo jowetegi kama gintie, ka bende omedo ni puonj go biro konyo e duoko piny thoe mabiro e kinde ma mine konyore.
95 participants, both for Dandelion and Baringo County. And those participants are coming from 55 health facilities in our county. So all facilities which are conducting deliveries, the sub-county hospitals, all of them have been trained. So the main aim is we used to have a very low coverage in terms of skilled deliveries. We are at 65%, but we are aiming at least to increase by 10%, because when we have low coverage of skilled deliveries, this leads to many maternal deaths at home.
The county still has issues with skilled birth attendants. They're at 65%, which means 35 out of 100 women, 35 are still delivering at home. And we all know that with the improvement in skilled birth attendants, then there's a chance that women will deliver under skilled birth attendants, and in them delivering in hospitals, will be able to reduce those unnecessary deaths that occur. So one of the key modules in this training focuses on communication and also focuses on respectful maternity care.
In addition to that, we have also the neonates, the babies that have just been born. They're also being trained. Once they have complications, they can be assisted.